The global accent chair market is projected to exceed $4.2 billion by 2027, and the mid-century modern segment is driving a significant share of that growth. But here's the real question. With hundreds of options flooding the market, which chairs are actually engineered to deliver on comfort, structural durability, and design precision? And which ones just look good in a product photo? Today on Tech Egadget, we're putting the Hertford 26-inch wide mid-century upholstered accent chair by Sand & Stable through a complete breakdown. We're going spec by spec, material by material, and feature by feature. So by the end of this video, you'll have every data point you need to decide whether this chair belongs in your space. Let's get analytical. Out of the box, the first thing a detail-oriented buyer will notice is the packaging integrity. The chair ships with all mounting hardware and assembly tools pre-included, which immediately signals that Sand & Stable has accounted for the out-of-box experience in their product design. Assembly is required, but the instructions are structured clearly and no additional tools are needed. The process is straightforward. Primarily leg attachment and frame alignment. One specification worth logging immediately is the wood finish variability. Sand & Stable discloses that due to natural batch and wood variations, chairs are shipped in randomly assigned dark or light frame tones. This is not a quality control issue, it's a natural material characteristic, but it is a variable buyers with precise color matching requirements need to factor into their purchasing decision. The structural integrity of the frame itself, however, remains consistent across batches. That's the key takeaway at the unboxing stage. Let's dig into the engineering. The Hertford chair is built on a kiln-dried solid wood frame finished in brown. Kiln drying is a critical manufacturing process. It removes excess moisture from the wood, which directly reduces the risk of warping, cracking, and joint failure over time. This is a meaningful quality indicator, especially compared to budget accent chairs that use air-dried or composite wood frames. The design deploys splayed legs, outward angled legs that are a defining feature of mid-century modern furniture, which distribute load more efficiently and improve lateral stability. The weight capacity is rated at 250 pounds and above, which positions this chair competitively in terms of structural load tolerance for its form factor. At 26 inches wide, the seat dimension falls in a practical range, wide enough for genuine sitting comfort, compact enough to function in medium and smaller room footprints. This is a well-calibrated frame specification for a residential accent chair. Moving to materials, the upholstery is a linen blend fabric applied in a solid color finish. Linen blend is a technically sound choice for upholstered seating. It offers a favorable balance of breathability, durability, and tactile texture that full synthetic fabrics typically cannot replicate. What makes the Hertford's material execution particularly notable is the intentional distressing applied to the upholstery. This is a deliberate manufacturing technique that gives the fabric a vintage, worn-in aesthetic, and it's executed with precision here, adding visual depth without compromising structural integrity. The cushion system uses high-density foam fill, which is a measurable upgrade over standard polyester fiberfill. High-density foam maintains its loft and compression resistance over extended use cycles, meaning the sitting experience at 12 months should closely mirror the sitting experience on day 1. The pillow back configuration adds a secondary ergonomic layer, and the square arms provide structured lateral support. Both are features that ergonomically minded buyers will appreciate. In performance terms, this chair operates exactly as its specifications suggest it should. Extended sit sessions of 30 to 45 minutes are handled comfortably by the high-density foam cushion system. There's no meaningful compression fatigue within that range. The splayed leg geometry keeps the chair stable on both hardwood and low-pile rug surfaces with no perceptible wobble. The linen blend upholstery performs well in ambient temperature conditions. It doesn't trap heat the way synthetic microfiber upholstery tends to, which is a functional advantage for warmer climates or rooms with significant sun exposure. The included toss pillow integrates cleanly into the chair's design language and functions as both a back support supplement and an aesthetic finishing element. It's not filler packaging, it adds genuine utility. The color availability across multiple options allows for decor compatibility mapping, which is a practical feature for buyers who need specific palette alignment with existing furniture systems. Here's the consolidated spec summary. On the positive side, kiln-dried solid wood frame delivers structural longevity. The 250+ pound weight capacity speaks to load engineering. High-density foam cushioning outperforms fiberfill alternatives. Linen blend upholstery provides breathability and durability. The pillow back and square arm configuration addresses ergonomic support, and multiple colorway availability enables decor flexibility. On the variable side, assembly is required, which adds setup time, though the process is tool inclusive and well documented. The random wood finish assignment per batch is worth reiterating. If your room requires a specific dark or light frame tone, that's a variable outside of buyer control. No ottoman is included, so full lounge configuration requires a separate purchase. These are manageable variables, not disqualifying factors, but informed buyers should have them in the analysis. Final verdict from Tech Egadget. The Hertford 26-inch mid-century accent chair by Sand & Stable is a structurally sound, materially well-specified accent chair that delivers on its core design and comfort promises. The kiln-dried frame, high-density foam system, and quality linen blend upholstery place it in a favorable position relative to competitors at this price bracket. If you're sourcing an accent chair that needs to perform reliably over time and integrate cleanly into a mid-century or coastal modern aesthetic, this is a data-backed recommendation. The purchase link is in the description. If this breakdown gave you value, hit like, subscribe to Tech Egadget for more spec-driven product analysis, and we'll see you in the next review.